personally, because of COVID-19, the coronavirus is spreading very rapidly, so I am online. Today we will be doing for English for class 4. The title of the lesson is The Pine Tree and the Reed. All of you have seen a pine tree, a very tall tree, Christmas tree like, and a reed. What do they have to tell about each other? This is the 6th poem, page number 45. Page 45, the 6th poem. The pine tree here describes the reed as a small and weak. The pine tree describes himself as standing high above the reed. It said that being taller than the reed, it can show more of its body to the world. The reed was silent. Gale means a very strong wind. When the gale began, the pine tree broke, the strong tree broke, but the reed, the humble reed, bent itself without breaking. So this is the story about, this is the poem about. Now the poet is Paul King. It is by Paul King, the poet is Paul King. Now open your books to page 45, The Pine Tree and the Reed, lesson 6. It is good to make fun of others. We do make fun of others in our nation, but it is not a good practice. We should never make fun. In return, we will be made fun of. Give reasons for your answer and discuss in class. You are small. You have to read with proper pronunciation. Now you have to be very careful. Put your fingers on the line and read. You are small and weak, the pine tree said, to the swaying reed by the stream below. Whereas I am high above you and have far more to show. The reed was silent, but soon after this, the gale began to bluster and blurt. The rigid pine tree snapped in the wind, but the plant reed bent unhurt. So children, this was the poem. Now we will come to the vocabulary words, the new words that you will be learning in this poem. Who is the author, children? Who is the poet of this poem? The Pine Tree and the Reed poem is written by Paul King. Now for the new words, please take down pine. The first word is pine. Swaying. Moving from this way. Sway, here. Please note down the vocabulary words. You will be coming across the poem. Pine, sway, pine, sway, stream, stream, above, above, up above the sky, that above. Reed, reed, silent, silent, gale, gale, bluster, bluster, blurt, blurt, rigid, rigid, not flexible, rigid, snapped, snapped, plant, plant, pine, sway, stream, above, reed, silent, gale, bluster, blurt, rigid, snap, play. Now we shall go. I hope you have copied down in a cursive, neat manner and learn the spellings. Now children, now you will open your page to 45. Page number 45, we shall learn the meanings there. Page 45. After vocabulary words, we have finished the new words. Now the second section is for the meanings. We will be doing the meanings, understand the meanings, make your own sentence. Meanings. Swing, moving slowly from side to side. The flood was so severe that all the trees were swaying, and some trees after swaying, they were uprooted, going from this side to that. Swing, moving very slowly from side to side, swing. Reed, a tall green plant found in green groups near water. A tall green plant, they are found in groups, not individual, near water. Gale, a very strong wind. A very strong wind. During the flood, there was a heavy gale, very strong wind. It uprooted many trees. Gale, a very strong wind. Bluster and blood, blow loudly and strongly. During the flood, the wind blew so loudly and so strongly that all the houses it had washed away. Bluster and blood, children, blow loudly and strongly. Rigid, stiff, unbending, very rigid, not flexible. So rigid, stiff, unbending. Once again the meanings for you, children. Swing, moving slowly from side to side. Reed, a tall green plant found in groups near water. Gale, a very strong wind. Bluster and blood, blow loudly and strongly. Rigid, stiff, unbending. Rigid, stiff, unbending. Snap, the next word is snap. Broke suddenly. The wind was so strong, the pine tree snapped, broke suddenly. It was very proud. Oh, I am so strong, he said to the weak reed. But when the strong wind went, it snapped the pine tree. Snapped, S-N-A-P-P-E-D, broke suddenly. Plaint, able to bend easily without breaking. Plaint, they were able to bend easily, but it did not break, it only bent. But the pine tree broke, but able to bend easily without breaking. Now, did you understand the meanings, children? Snap meaning broke suddenly. Plaint, able to bend easily without breaking. Now, page number 46, understanding the text. Understanding the text. How did the pine tree describe the weed? Answer. The pine tree described the weed as small and weak. The pine tree described the weed as small and weak. Oh, he was very proud. So, the pine tree described the weed small and weak. Second question. How did the pine tree describe itself? How did the pine tree describe itself? The pine tree described itself as standing high above the reed. So please note down, the pine tree described itself as standing high above the reed. It said that being taller than the reed, it can show more of its body to the world. The second answer again, children. The pine tree described itself as standing high above the reed. It said that being taller than the reed, it can show more of its body to the world. Third question. How did the reed react to the pine tree's words? How did the reed react to the pine tree's words? The reed was silent. Did it say anything? The reed was silent. What does gale mean? What happened when it began? G-A-L-E. What does gale mean, children? G-A-L-E. Gale means a very strong wind. Gale means a very strong wind. A very strong wind. When the gale began, the pine tree broke. When the gale began, the pine tree broke. The pine tree broke, but the reed bent itself. But the reed bent itself without breaking. So, gale means a very strong wind. When the gale began, the pine tree broke, but the reed bent itself without breaking. Who was very proud in this poem, children? The pine tree. And who was very humble? The reed. And we should always be humble in our life. Humble beginning. Abdul Kalam was so humble, so God raised him to such high heights. What would you like to be? The pine tree or the reed? But some children will say, I like to be the reed, I like to be humble, I like to have faced many challenges in life, depending upon. Reeds are generally found in groups close to water bodies. In the poem, the poet refers to a single reed. Do you think it is done to contrast the qualities between the reed and the... Yes. It is comparing the qualities of the reed with that of the pine tree. What are the characteristics of the reed? What are the characteristics of the pine tree? What is the moral given? Always be humble. Pride. Do not be pride. Pride goes before a fall. Pride goes before a proud. Proud people do not shine in society, but humble people are loved by the mob. So, children, understanding words, page 46. Page 46. We tell an eye is a part of a needle. An eye of a needle. An eye is a part of a needle. So, of a needle is your answer. Of a needle. Of a needle is the answer. An eye is a part of a needle. Second one, a hand is a part of a clock. A clock has two hands. A hand is a part of a... Second word is clock. Clock. Third one, an arm is a part of a... An arm is a part of a chair. This arm, the chair has two arms. Of a chair. The arm is a part of a chair. The mouth is a part of a river. At the mouth of the river, that is at the beginning of the river, there is a delta, fertile soil. So you will tell, the mouth is a part of a river. And next one, the tooth is a part of a comb. The tooth of the comb are broken. So, we generally say, an eye is a part of a needle, a hand is a part of a clock, an arm is a part of a chair, a mouth is a part of a river, a tooth is a part of a comb. The comb what I use to comb my hair. Now children, hope you understood all the poem. Now just we shall do page number 48. Take out page 48. Now just EA words and AE words. EA, reach, R-E-A-C-H. Reach. I have reached the school, mommy will tell. Cream, C-R-E-A-M. The milk has a thick layer of cream at the top. Cream, C-R-E-A-M. Wheat, W-H-E-A-T. What are the EA words we learned? Reach, cream, wheat. Now AE words. Algae, A-L-G-A-E, non-green plants, algae. Aerial, A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial. A-E-R-I-A-L. Larva, L-A-R-V-A-E, L-A-R-V-A-E. So E-A words you come across, algae, aerial, larva. Now children, look at the B part. Complete the words with EA. The first one, Sangeeta, R-E-P is the word. Your word is R-E-P. The first dash, R-E-P dash dash. Sangeeta, R-E-P. Then T-E-D, the question to Aisha. You will write E-A, repeated. Repeated. E-A word. Sangeeta repeated the question to Aisha. The dash plane rocked a little when it flew through the thick clouds. You are going to write for the second one. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. The word is aeroplane. AE words. The aeroplane rocked a little when it flew through the thick clouds. Third one, the teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher is on leave. L-E-A. Next word is leave. The teacher was on leave. Why is there so much noise in the class? There is no teacher. The teacher is on leave today. The teacher, first word is teacher, is on leave. E-A words. L-E-A-V-E. Leave today. After his sister dash aerobics. Your word is after his sister joined aerobics. The word is aerobics. Aerobics. After his sister joined aerobic classes, she lost a lot of weight. AE, aerobics classes. You must use a blue pen instead. Your word is instant. Instant. I-N-S-T-E-A-T. Instant. Repeated. Second one, aeroplane. Third one, teacher. Third one, B part, leave. Fourth, aerobics. Fifth, instant. Now children, page number 48. Pine trees are considered very strong and hence also very valuable in many parts of the world. What are the different uses of the pine tree? You have to look into the internet and uses of trees and uses of pine tree. Now children, hope you are with me. Hope you understood the lesson. What is the moral? Always be humble. What is today's proverb? Bride goes before a fall. If you are very proud, you will have a fall definitely. Now take down, pay homework for today. Homework. Write the poem neatly. Write 5 words. Write 5 words using A-E and E-A. A-E words. Example. L-E-A, leave. A-E words. A-E and E-A. A-E and E-A words. Now for the third, draw a pine tree. A pine tree. And fourth, what are the uses of trees? What are the uses of trees? What are the products we get from the trees? What are the products we get from it? from it. Nowadays why are trees being cut? Nowadays why are trees being cut? Answer these questions, children. Answer neatly. Hope you have understood the meaning and you will do the homework. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.